This is Dave with NAPCO Tech Support. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the AL-IME-USB gateway. Feel free to pause the video at any time if it makes it easier to follow along. Just like with the AL-PCI-2U, you want to install the driver before plugging in your AL-IME-USB gateway. The driver can be found in the folder you downloaded to install DL Windows. Inside the DL Windows folder you downloaded, there is a folder labeled USB Gateway Driver. In that folder is a file named USB Express Installer _x64. You will run that to install the driver if you have a 64-bit operating system. If you have a 32-bit Windows operating system, you will run the one that ends with x86. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, you are most likely running a 64-bit operating system. When you run the installer, you may get a pop-up asking you if you are sure you want to run the program. Click Yes. When the installation wizard pops up, click Next. After you click Next, you should get the completion message with a green check mark and are ready to use under the status. Click Finish. Now that you have installed your driver, open your computer's device manager by right-clicking on your Start button and choosing the option Device Manager. In your device manager, expand the section that says Universal Serial Bus Controllers by clicking on the arrow to the left. Next, plug in your USB gateway and verify the USB Express device now shows in your list. Close your device manager. You are now ready to add the gateway to DL Windows. After you log into DL Windows, select the account on the left you wish to add your USB gateway to, and then click on the Gateway Config up at the top. If you have never clicked on the Gateway Config button for this account, you will get the pop-up asking you to add the password. For more information on this password and why you are adding it, please see the previous video in this series. Once the gateway configuration window is open, click on the Gateway button and then choose the option Discover New Gateways. You should see a device labeled New USB Gateway with all zeros for the IP. Select your device and then click on the gateways and then Add Gateway to Account. You will get a pop-up asking you if you want to save the gateway to the account. Click Yes. The gateway will turn blue, letting you know it is ready to be used. As you can see on my screen, there is another gateway on my network that I haven't added to the account, and it is still green, telling me that it is still available, but hasn't been added. You can also see that it is a Gen 3 gateway, and you can see the USB is considered a Gen 1 gateway. You cannot upgrade the USB to be a Gen 3 gateway, and it is not compatible with expanders. The USB gateway is not intended to be used with expanders or as a solution for long distances. The idea for the USB gateway is that you could plug it into a laptop and make it so you don't have to plug into a lock with an AL-PCI-2U and have to punch keys on the keypad. You don't have to be extremely close to the lock for the USB gateway to work, and you might even get a decent distance away from it. But I do want to clarify that it is not intended to be used for long distances. Discovering locks with the USB gateway is the same as doing it with any other gateway. Open your gateway config and click Discover Locks. When the discovery process finishes, check the box of the lock you wish to assign and click Assign. When you get the pop-up asking if you want to link the lock, click Yes. The Link Unlink window will pop up. Click on the lock profile, and then click on the lock it will be linked with. After it shows down in the linked lock section, close the window and verify that it says linked next to your lock profile. As always, if you ever need any documentation for current NAPCO devices, or if you're just looking for more videos like these, head on over to our tech library at tech.napcosecurity.com.